Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Today I am very happy to bring you a very fantastic question related with the geometry and it's really very good for those who are maths lover. जो बच्चे मैथ्स पसंद करते हैं, जिनको मैथ्स पसंद है, जिनको मैथ्स जुनून है, उन्हें बहुत पसंद आएगा. Though it is very lengthy, even though it is very interesting. So that it is my personal request, please don't leave in between my video. You have to please watch full video. हाँ? पूरा वीडियो देखिए तभी आपको मजा आएगा. क्वेश्चन है, दिस इज द क्वार्टर सर्कल ऑफ रेडियस r. This is the point A, this is B. Okay, this is quarter circle, this is 90-degree angle. Correct? Now we are giving that this is point, supposing this is C point and this is D point and this is E point. Okay, okay, the length we are giving, the length of CE is equal to 2 centimeter. This is given to us, and ED is equal to root 3 minus 1. This is the condition only. We have to find the area of that segment. That is CEA. Area of segment CEA. बस, this is the question. Nothing else is given to us. कुछ नहीं दिया है, सिर्फ ये वाली लंबाई दी है. ये वाली लंबाई इसको हम बताते हैं. This up to this. This is 2 and up. And this portion ED is equal to root 3 minus 1. This is only given to us. Okay, ये हमें दे रखा है. Now we have to find the segment area of the segment, shaded area. We have to find. How we can find it? कैसे find कर सकते हैं? It can be done. इसको अगर देखा जाए, then this is the sector. OCA is a sector with, suppose let us, this is angle theta. Somehow if we can calculate the area of this sector OCA, that is OCA, and then subtract the area of this triangle CDO and DEA, our aim will be fulfilled. ठीक है. Now our aim is to find the segment area. Now first of all, it means we have to find the area of the full sector OAC. But in order to find the area of the sector, R should be known. Radius of the quarter circle should be known. R is not known to us. So that first of all, we calculate R. Now, question is how we can calculate R. For calculating R, we can see the triangle ODC. In triangle ODC, that is ODC. This is 90 degree because we have brought the perpendicular. This is radius, hypotenuse, and this will be the base. We can apply the Pythagoras theory, as per which OC square, this will be equal to OD square plus CD square. OC is equal to R, which is to be determined, हमें निकालना है. OD is equal to this minus DA minus, or A minus DA. Okay, OA minus DA. This portion. OA is total radius minus this portion will get OD. Okay, which will be the base of this triangle. Plus CD. CD is known to us. 2 plus root 3. This is CD is equal to this. 2 plus ED. It is equal to 2 plus root 3 minus 1. Okay? Whole square. This is whole square. Now, OA is equal to what? Radius R. And DA. अब जो DA is to be found. DA is not known to us. But DA can be obtained. कैसे? DA भी निकाली जा सकती है. कैसे? ये पूरा रेडियस R है. ये पूरा रेडियस R है. इसको हम जोड़ रहे हैं. B and D is joined. So this arm will be equal to, this is radius R. This is radius R. This is 90. It means this will be 45. Okay, this angle will be 45. If this is 45, it means this will be also 45 because this is 90. It means ED is equal to DA. Okay, it is very much clear. Again, I am saying this. This is D point. This is A point. This is E point. This is 45. Why it is so? Because this is radius. And this is radius and this is the triangle. So this is 45. It means this will be also 45. Because this is angle is 90. It means this ED will be equal to DA. And ED is known to us. ED is given to us what? ED is equal to root 3 minus 1. It means DA is also root 3 minus 1. It means in place of DA, we can write minus root 3 minus 1. R square plus 2 minus 1 is 1 plus root 3 whole square. Correct? Step by step we have to do it. Don't make hurry, huh? Now, this, it means R square, we'll bring it here because this space is to be used. Now, it means R square, this will be equal to square of this R square. और इसको आप खोल देते हैं. I have to do this one. R minus root 3 plus 1 whole square. Correct? Plus 1 plus root 3 whole square. Now we are going to open this. A plus B plus C square. This is R square plus 3 plus 1 plus 2 times R minus 2 times root 3R, R root 3, okay, minus root 3 is the explanation of this portion. A square plus B square plus C square, we know that A plus B plus C whole square, this can be written as A square plus B square plus C square plus 2 times AB, B plus 2 times BC plus 2 times CA. This formula is applicable on this theory. A plus B plus C. A is B, C. A square plus B square plus C square plus 2 times A into C minus 2 into R into root 3 and plus minus 2 into root 3 into 1. Okay? Into 1. This is the, now this portion is, this is remaining till date. Now we have to explain this also. This will can be explained as 1 plus 3 plus 2 root 3. Okay? Now this is equal to R square. This R square get cancelled with this. We are saying 2 plus 3 is equal to 4. 3 plus 1 is equal to 4. 3 plus 1 is equal to 4. Plus 1 plus 3 is equal to 8. 4 plus 4, 8. And this is 2R. This is 2R3. It means 2R can be taken as a common one. And we'll get here 1 minus 2 root 3. 1 minus root 3. Okay? 1 minus root 3. This done, this done, this done. This is minus root 3 into 1. This is plus 2 root 3. It means only plus root 3 will be here, remain. Okay? This was the. Okay. R square. the extra everything. A square plus b square plus root 3 times 1 square plus 3 square plus 2 root 3. Okay. So this will be equal to plus root 3. This root 3, 2 root 3. This is 2 root 3 r square plus 3 plus 1 plus 2 into r plus 2 into r root 3 minus 2. This is 2 into this is 2. This is 2. 2 into root 3 plus 1. 2 into root 3 plus 1. This 2 into root 3 plus 1 can cancel. Okay? Now, nothing else. It means we are having this. 8 plus 2 r is taken common. 1 minus root 3 overly this. This is equal to 0. This is equal to 0. Okay. It means now to our will be left hand side पे bring कर लीजिए इसको इधर लेके आइए. You get minus times or plus times root 3 minus 1 into 2r is equal to 8. It means r will be equal to root 3 minus 1 into 4. Okay. Upon root 4 upon root 3 minus 1. Okay, this will be r. R will get to 8 upon root 3 minus 1. 2 will get cancelled. This will be equal to. Multiply numerator as well denominator root 3 minus plus 1. We will get here 4 into root 3 plus 1 upon 2. This get cancelled, and this is the value of 2 into root 3 plus 1 is the value of r. This is r. Okay, this is r. Okay, this is the value of r. We have to note it down. Okay, this is of no use, so that I am going to rub it. So r is equal to 2 into root 3 plus 1. Okay. Now, if r is known to us, now we can find the sector area. Sector area. Of which sector? OCD. OCD. This will be equal to angle. So first of all, this theta is to be obtained. This will be theta upon 360 into pi into r square. R is known to us. And theta is to be find further. Now theta, how can theta find? Theta can be find by sin theta is equal to perpendicular upon base. Sin of theta is equal to perpendicular upon hypotenuse. Perpendicular is CD upon hypotenuse is equal to OC. CD is we know it well. CD is equal to what? CD is equal to 2 plus root 3. 2 plus root 3 minus 1, it means root 3 plus 1. This is root 3 plus 1. 2 plus root 3 minus 1, it means root 3 plus 1. Upon OC. OC is equal to what? OC. This is OC is equal to R. OC is equal to R. R is known to us. 2 into root 3 plus 1. It means sin of theta, this is equal to 1 by 2. It means theta will be 30 degree. It is known to us that theta will be 30 degree. Yeah, OC is equal to what? OC is equal to R. Na? This is R. Okay. It means theta is equal to 30 degree. It means now we can find the value of sector area. Theta is also known to us. R is also known to us. Theta is equal to 30 degree. 30 upon 360 is equal to 1 upon 12. Is equal to 1 upon 12 into pi 3.14 into r square. R square is square of this. This is 4 into root 3 plus 1 whole square. Okay? Correct. Now this can be cancelled. 4 1s are 4, 4 3s are 12. So that it will be equal to, it can be written as 3.14 upon 3. Okay. Into square of this. The square of this is equal to 3 plus 1 plus 2 root 3. This approximately can be written as 3 1s are 3, 0, 3 5s are 15. Approximately, I am doing it approximately. Into this 1.05. Okay. This is 4 plus 2 root 3. It means it can be written as 2 can be taken as a common one. 2 can be taken as a common one. This will be equal to 1.05 into 4. Root 3 is equal to 1.73. 4 into 4 plus 1.73 into 2. That is 6, 4, 2. 2.46 into 4. 105 into 4 plus 2.46. Now we can calculate it. It will be equal to 1.05 into 6.46. This is to be multiplied. Okay. It will be approximately equal to 778 SQCM. Okay. Okay. This is the sector area. One portion obtained. Now we have to obtain the value of this area, and this area is to be subtracted from whole this sector area. इस पूरे सेक्टर एरिया में से इस ट्रायंगल का एरिया घटा देंगे और इस वाले का घटा देंगे. इसका निकाल सकते हैं 1/2 बेस इनटू दिस. इसका भी निकाल सकते हैं 1/2 बेस इनटू दिस. ओके. तो एरिया ऑफ सेकंड पोर्शन, एरिया ऑफ ट्रायंगल ODC, triangle ODC, this will be equal to ODC 1/2 CD was root 3 plus 1 CD. This is CD. Root 3 plus 1 CD is equal to root 3 plus 1 OD. OD is also, we have calculated somewhere. Where is OD? OD is equal to this. OD is equal to this minus this. R minus into R minus root 3 minus 1. This is calculated. This was equal to, again we can calculate it again. This R minus OD, R minus DA. Okay, R minus DA. It is equal to 1/2 root 3 plus 1 into R was equal to R is equal to this 2 into root 3 plus 1, 2 times root 3 plus 1 minus DA. DA is equal to root 3 minus 1. That will be equal to 1/2 root 3 plus 1 into 2 root 3 plus 2 minus root 3 plus 1. This will be equal to 1/2 root 3 plus 1. This root 3 is equal to root 3, and this is 3. 3 plus 3 root 3. 3 plus root 3. Okay. Root 3 plus 1. 3 plus root 3. Or we can also expand this. 1/2 remains same. Now we get multiplication of these 3. Root 3 into 3. Is it 3 root 3? Root 3 plus 3 is equal to plus 3. Now 1, 3 plus root 3. That is, what is it this? 2 times 4 root 3 plus 6. This is 4 root 3 plus 6. 4 root 3 plus 6 upon 2. That will be equal to 2 can be taken as a common. So that 2 times root 3 plus 3. Okay? 2 times root 3 plus 3. And to get cancelled. 2 times root 3 plus 3. Okay. Now, area of this area. Third area. Third area is 1 by 2. This is also root 3 minus 1. This is also root 3 minus 1. This is 1 by 2 into root 3 minus 1 whole square. Area of DAE. DAE. Triangle DAE. Okay. This is to be noted. This is area number 1. This is area number 2. Now area number 3. Area number 3. This will be equal to, you are going to calculate it again, 1 by 2, because height and base both are root 3 minus 1. So that 1 by 2 into root 3 minus 1 whole square. Okay. Now this will be equal to 1 by 2 into root 3 square is equal to 3 plus 1 minus 2 root 3. Okay. This is 4 minus 2 root 3. Further we can take common, we'll get 2 minus root 3. It will put 2 minus root 3. Okay. Now, adding this is the third one. This is the third area. 2 root 3. Third area. Adding second and first. I am going to rub it. Huh? Okay. Because this is of no use. This was a simple formula of a plus b plus c square. Okay. Adding these two, what we get? 1 plus, second plus third. This will be equal to 2 root 3 plus 2 root 3 plus 6 plus 2 minus root 3. That is okay. This will be equal to root 3 plus 8. It should be 3. It will be 3, sorry. It will be 3. Plus 3. It will be 3. This is root 3 plus 3. Okay. This will be equal to root 3 plus 5. Root 3 plus 5. This is the value of this addition. Okay. Now, this is to be subtracted from the first one. Answer is area of this will be equal to first minus this addition. Root 3 plus 5. The value of root 3 plus 5 will be equal to, after putting the value of root 3 is equal to 1.732. It is 6.732. 6.73 SQCM. It means that this was area, we have calculated the total area of the sector was 7.78. It means the shaded area will be, I am further going to rub it, please don't confuse because it has already been done, you can see in your video. Now, area of the segment. Area of the segment ECA, this will be equal to this area 7.78 minus 6.73. This will be equal to approximately 1.05 SQCM. Answer. This is the answer. Answer is area of segment is equal to 1.05 SQCM. Calculation was very typical. Sometimes it get confused. So that please don't get confused, okay? Okay? Thanks for watching my video. And please don't forget to like and subscribe. It is very interesting. Only 100% attention is to be made on your problem. With concentrate mind, you have to solve this question, otherwise you get confused. But it is easy and tricky. Okay, I like it very much, so that I have presented in your for you in video. So if you like it, please don't forget to give me thumbs up, like, and comment. Okay, and stay with me. Keep in touch with me. Good night. Good luck for you. Thanks for watching my video. Thank you. Good night.